Hi guys, today I will show the coding of Python and I will tell how to code in Python in next episode. And now let's go to Google Colab to do coding. Then we will get Google Colab. Click on the link. After that, we will get some new notebook to take a new notebook, or if you have already a notebook, click on that. Then you'll get that notebook which you want. And I did so much of coding. I will show how to do this coding in next episode. Thank you. If you like, please subscribe and share, and please support our channel. Thank you.